Welcome to the beautiful sacred valley of Peru. We are here in the town of Ollantaytambo, surrounded by beautiful mountains and animals. And today is going to be a power Yogalates class that will challenge you and leave you feeling amazing. Through combining sculpting Pilates exercises with a yoga flow, you will not only boost your metabolism and promote weight loss, but you will also finish feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the day. So if you're ready to get started, grab your mat, grab your water, and let's begin. Alright guys, we're going to sit at the top of your mat with your feet in front of you. And go ahead now, reaching the arms forward. Reach as if you're trying to grab something, round out the spine, and then start to lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Inhale, reach the arms over your head, and then exhale, use the momentum of the arms, coming up to seated. So starting with our roll-up exercise, nice and slow with control as you come down. And then exhale, push and follow your arms with your body. Reach forward and round yourself down. Reach over your head. Exhale, bring yourself up. Awesome. Now from here, you're going to come down about halfway. Hold the navel into the spine, drop the shoulders, extending your right leg out. Let's just hold here for a moment before we get to the next exercise. So breathe, make sure those shoulders are dropped away from the ears. Now that same right arm is going to reach all the way back and then bring it back to center. So inhale as you reach and gently twist. Exhale, center for 2. Inhale, reach back. And 3. And reach it back all the way to the back of your mat. Flexing the foot forward. Now grab that foot with the opposite hand. And that same right arm reaches to the back of your mat, but this time you're just going to hold. Keeping a flexion in the foot, you're feeling that nice stretch through the calf muscle, through the hamstring. Beautiful. Come back to center. And now simply pull that leg as you release with control all the way down to your mat. Now as you have your front leg in front of you, just pull it towards your body. As the bottom leg extends and hovers above the floor. Just stay there for a moment, feeling that nice deep stretch through the hamstring. Wonderful. Now from here, let's let go and just reach the arms forward. Holding that position, arms reach above your head and around into the center for 1. Big circle with the arm for 2. And 3. Wonderful. Inhale as you reach and around on 4. Reach and 5, keep going, reach and 6, reach and 7, big circle, last one, and 8, hold it there, just pulse it, 2, 3, reach forward, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, wonderful, legs together. And then slowly bring yourself into a ball position, rolling like a ball, up and down. So round through the spine and up for 2. Now your goal here is to try and keep your feet away from the ground as you come up. Round through the spine as you release and bring it up. Now let's hold it in boat posture, shoulders down, arms extended. Now we're going to roll back one more time, and then this time use the momentum to come up to your feet in a forward fold. Now if you can't do that right away, just make your way up to standing. Once you're in your forward fold, let's just walk it out, bending one knee at a time, extending the opposite leg, warming up those hamstrings. Keeping your hands close to the mat if you can, or on the mat. Wonderful. Now let's interlace the fingers behind your back, extending through the elbows, and allow the hands to fall forward, forcing a nice gentle stretch through those shoulders as well. Good, one more deep breath in. Now on your exhale, slowly come on up. Keep those hands interlaced and simply allow yourself to come back into a standing cobra, opening the chest, opening the heart center here. See how far you can release with your body. And then come to center. Inhale, let's reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands to heart. Inhale, reach the arms up again. Exhale, dive yourself down, forward fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, hop back or step back into plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Hold and breathe here, and then exhale, release into your downward facing dog. Wonderful job. Just take a second here. Allow that sternum to fall towards the mat. Really feel that nice release here through the upper body. From here, let's hop forward back to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. Slowly come up to standing. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, dive yourself back down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step or hop back into plank. And then from here, taking your chaturanga push-up for 1. One more time, and 2. And now full chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, push it back into your downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhale through your nose, bending the knees. Exhale, hop back to the front of your mat. And let's come down to our seated position and release with the spine to the floor. Starting with a roll-up exercise, come forward and slowly release your way down for 1. Inhale, exhale, push, come forward. Exhale, slowly release. Wonderful. Use the strength of your core here to bring yourself up. Come on down about halfway now. Let's pull the navel into the spine, extending now the left leg. Try to keep your knees connected here. Just hold for a moment. And once you're ready, that same arm is going to reach back. Bring it forward and then reach back for 2. Bring it forward and open for 3. And twisting from the belly button. Bring it in, last one. Let's go ahead and reach to the back of your mat. And then grabbing that front foot with your other hand and just staying in that twist if you can. Think about elongating through the spine here as if someone's pulling you up from the crown of your head. Nice and tall as you twist from the belly button. Keeping that flexion in the front foot so you're feeling a nice stretch. And then come forward, grabbing that front leg with both hands. And start to release your body to the mat, extending and lifting that bottom leg off the floor as well. Let's just hold this posture first and really think about pulling that leg towards your body. Forehead reaching for that knee here. Beautiful. Just feel that stretch. Breathe wherever you are. Just breathe through it. And then release the arms forward. Let's do our abdominal exercise. This time arms over your head and around for 1. Big circle with the arms for 2. Over and around for 3. Reach. And 4. Reach. And 5. Reach and around. Lift up. Good. And last one. Let's hold it here and just pulse it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, reaching 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and let's hold. Bring the hands behind the head, straight single leg switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open those legs. 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 10, 9. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Legs together. Take a deep breath in and exhale, release. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and reach forward. Let's take our rolling like a ball exercise again. So just start to roll back and up to your seated position for 1. Rounding through each vertebra of your spine and coming up to your seated for 2. Bring it back. And 3. And bring it back. And 4, hold, extend, hold that boat posture. If you're more advanced, see if you can extend the legs now into a full V. If not, keep your knees bent and just hold, engage through the core here. Let's roll back and this time transition up to your standing forward fold again. Make your way up whatever's most comfortable if you have to. And then come on up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale halfway. And then exhale, let's step back into our plank position here. Shoulders above your wrist. Pulling the navel into the spine. Inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, opening into your upward facing dog. And exhale, push it back into your downward facing dog. Beautiful job. Let's go ahead now. From this position, we're going to reach our right leg up towards the sky. Just take that single-legged dog. Take a moment here to breathe, feeling that wonderful stretch. Bending the knee. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and take a big step with your right leg to the top of the mat. Inhale. And once you're ready, exhale, extending that leg into that pyramid posture. Just release. Inhale, coming forward, knee on top of your ankle. Exhale, extend forehead to knee for 2. Inhale as you come forward. And exhale, release for 3. Working with the breath here. Try to keep those hips square. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, extend and release. Wonderful job. Just hold, pulling that front hip back, pushing the opposite hip forward to allow both hips to stay square. Wonderful. Let's just take one more deep breath in. Slowing things down on your exhale, come forward into that high lunge. And then reaching both arms up to the sky. Find your center, connecting with your core here. Pull the belly button into your spine. And then transitioning forward towards the front leg into our Warrior 3 posture. Square out the hips and then see if you can bring the hands in prayer in front of your chest. Just focus and breathe. Find that balance. Slowly from here, now come on up. You're going to bring that back leg up towards your chest, arms extended. And then exhale, bring the leg down. Beautiful job. Let's take a flow here. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, dive yourself down. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, let's step or hop back into plank. Taking 1 Chaturanga push-up and then Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, take it back into your downward facing dog. Wonderful job. Let's go ahead and take it to the other side. Other leg reaches up to the sky. Inhale. Hold for a moment. Exhale, bending the knees, stepping forward towards the front of your mat. Finding that center position here, just breathe. And then as you exhale, extend and release your body over top of that leg. Inhale, coming forward. And exhale, take it back for 2. Inhale, come forward. Exhale for 3. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, release. Let's just hold that posture now. Square out those hips. So that opposite hip is pushing forward, pulling that same hip back. See how far you can release your body over top of that front leg. Just breathing deeply here. Great job. Let's slowly come forward, back into your high lunge. Front knee on top of the ankle, and then reaching both arms up to the sky, finding that center. Breathing deeply. As you exhale, shift your weight to that front leg and releasing into that Warrior 3 posture. Square out those hips. Breathing deeply. If you're ready, bring the hands in prayer in front of your chest. Hold, breathe. Wonderful. Slowly come on up. Bring that back knee up towards your belly. Extend your arms and then release the feet. Great job. Inhale. Let's reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, step or hop back into plank, chaturanga. Upward facing dog, inhale. And exhale, take it back into your downward facing dog. Wonderful. Just take a moment here to breathe, connecting with your breath. And then hopping forward and coming into a seated position on your mat. Releasing the feet in front of you, let's just go ahead and release the spine to the floor, hug your knees into the chest, and take a gentle rock side to side, massaging that lumbar spine. Great job. Slowly from here, extending the legs, arms release, and let's start to take the legs down for 8, 7, use the core, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Releasing the legs and taking our final posture, our Shavasana here. Slowly allow the entire body to let go and surrender to the mat. Welcoming complete relaxation to every muscle in your body. Close your eyes and just take a moment here to connect to your breath. Inhaling through your nose, and then as you exhale, completely letting go into your mat. Letting go into the floor underneath your mat. Allow the shoulders to release and relax. Relax your glutes, your thighs, your legs, your arms. Just let go here. Now slowly start to move your fingers and your toes, reach the arms over your head, and then bending your knees and rolling onto one side, and then making your way up to your seated position on your mat. So you're going to come up to a seated position with your feet crossed. Sit up nice and tall, just finding a good center here. When you're ready, let's take an inhale, reaching both arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring the hands to your heart. One more time, really fill those lungs with oxygen. Inhale, reach it up. And exhale, bring the hands to heart. Thank you so much for joining us today in the beautiful sacred valley of Peru. I send you love and light, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste, thank you, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media like Instagram and Facebook. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.